Energy efficiency is more than just a buzzword for homeowners. It directly affects comfort, utility costs, and long-term home value. In a city like New Orleans, where heat, humidity, and seasonal storms are part of everyday life, having the right windows makes a noticeable difference. Eco windows are designed to address these challenges by improving insulation, reducing energy loss, and helping homes maintain comfortable indoor conditions year-round. Managing heat in a warm, humid climate. New Orleans homes are exposed to high temperatures and intense sunlight for much of the year. Older or inefficient windows often allow heat to pass through easily, forcing air conditioning systems to work harder. Eco windows are built with advanced glass technologies that reduce heat transfer. This helps block unwanted heat from entering the home, keeping indoor spaces cooler and reducing the strain on cooling systems. Reducing air leaks and drafts. One of the biggest causes of energy loss is air leakage around windows. Gaps, worn seals, and outdated frames allow cooled air to escape and warm air to enter. Eco windows are designed with tight seals and improved framing that minimize air leaks. For New Orleans homeowners, this means more consistent indoor temperatures and fewer hotspots throughout the home. Improving insulation with modern glass technology. Eco windows often feature double or multi-pane glass with insulating layers between the panes. These layers help slow the transfer of heat in and out of the home. In New Orleans homes, improved insulation helps maintain comfortable indoor conditions regardless of outdoor temperatures, reducing energy usage throughout the year. Supporting lower cooling costs. When windows perform efficiently, heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain comfortable temperatures. This leads to noticeable reductions in energy consumption. For New Orleans homeowners, eco windows help lower cooling costs during long warm seasons, making energy efficiency a practical financial benefit as well as a comfort upgrade. Controlling humidity more effectively. Humidity is a major factor in energy efficiency and comfort. Poorly sealed windows allow moisture to seep inside, making indoor air feel heavier and less comfortable. Eco windows create a stronger barrier against outdoor moisture. In New Orleans homes, this helps control indoor humidity levels and supports a more comfortable living environment. Allowing natural light without excess heat. Natural light improves the feel of a home, but it shouldn't come at the expense of comfort. Eco windows are designed to let in daylight while reducing heat gain. For New Orleans homeowners, this means brighter interiors without overheating, supporting both comfort and energy efficiency. Enhancing indoor comfort year-round. Energy efficiency isn't just about lowering bills, it's also about how a home feels every day. Eco windows help reduce temperature swings, drafts, and uncomfortable hotspots. In New Orleans homes, this creates a more balanced indoor environment that feels comfortable from room to room. Reducing wear on HVAC systems. When windows perform efficiently, HVAC systems cycle less frequently. This reduces wear and tear on equipment and supports longer system lifespan. For New Orleans homeowners, eco windows contribute to a more efficient and reliable home overall. Professional installation maximizes performance. Even the most advanced eco windows won't perform as intended without proper installation. Professional installation ensures correct sealing, alignment, and insulation. In New Orleans homes, expert installation helps eco windows deliver maximum energy efficiency and long-term performance. A smart energy upgrade for New Orleans homes. Eco windows offer a powerful way to improve energy efficiency in New Orleans homes. By reducing heat transfer, blocking air leaks, managing humidity, and supporting consistent indoor comfort, they make homes more efficient and enjoyable to live in. For homeowners looking to lower energy costs and improve comfort, eco windows are a smart and lasting investment.